it's supposed to feel.
Hey, good job. That's a movie. Well, what'd you think? Was that impressive? All right. That was a wonderful fireworks display. Happy 4th a little early. Take your time getting out of here. It's dark. Be careful. Drive carefully on the way home. Thank you for coming. We appreciate it very much. And please take care of yourself and everyone else around you, okay? Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful, wonderful 4th of July. Come back and see us tomorrow if you can. Thank you.
Oh, can I say now? Okay, the fireworks were like awesome, like booming out. Ooh, there's a tiny bit there, but I can't hear it. The boom, then boom, then boom.
Yeah, we are going out. We are going home now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I hope you
subscribe.
like this video. Please like and share. Hit the bell icon. Ding, 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 ding. Don't forget to subscribe to my new Mari channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.